Hey everyone! If you've ever had form submissions going to an old inbox or a client's personal email by mistake, you know how frustrating it is. In 2026, Wix has moved all form notifications into their automations dashboard, so the process is a bit different than it used to be. Today, I'm showing you the exact steps to redirect those submissions to the right place. Let's dive into the dashboard. Step 1. Access forms and submissions. First, log into your Wix dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, scroll down to Customer and Leads and select Forms and Submissions. You'll see a list of all the forms on your site. Find the specific form you want to update and click the three dots icon next to it, then select Form Settings. Once the Settings panel opens, scroll down until you see the Notifications and Automations section. This is where Wix links your form to an automated action. Look for the automation usually titled New Submission Received and click the Edit button. This will take you directly into the Wix Automations Builder. Step 3. Edit the Send an Email action. In the automation workflow, find the box that says Send an Email and click on it to expand the settings. Look for the Set Recipients section on the left panel. Important, in 2026, you can't just type an email address. You need to click plus Add Recipients and either select an existing collaborator or choose a contact from your list. Step 4. Create a new recipient if needed. If the email address you want to use isn't listed yet, click Create New in the recipient pop-up. Simply enter the name and the new email address you want to receive the notifications. Click Add to save them as a contact and assign them to this form. Step 5. Save and activate. Almost done. Scroll down and click Apply to confirm the new recipient. Finally, make sure to click the blue Activate or Publish button at the top right of the page to push the changes live. Pro tip: always send a test submission to your site immediately after to ensure the new inbox is receiving the data. Updating your notification routing is key to keeping your business leads organized. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.